Hey YouTube, I am back with another video. I have not been in this room or filmed a video in this room forever, let alone a video period. So this is going to be a longer format video. And if you can't tell by the title, it is about my Telfar bag. I finally got another Telfar bag. I literally have not bought a Telfar bag in like years. And for good reason. I mean, when you have so many bags in general, like, is there any reason to have like 10 or 5 of the same designer bag? I know it works for some people, but I just don't need another one. And one of the main reasons I decided to get another one is because my favorite one started like peeling. Yeah, it's my favorite Telfar bag, which is my first Telfar bag. So I've had it for quite a while, probably since like early 2020 or something. Decided to start peeling on me, and I don't know why. I literally wore this bag so much when I lived in New York City, but I literally have not worn it in years. And it's my yellow Telfar bag. Some of you that have been with me for a while may remember that video. This is my favorite Telfar bag. I love it because it looks like a New York City taxi. So yellow, so bright. But it also reminds me of like a banana or Simpsons, like the Simpsons skin color. So it literally was my favorite bag, and I would wear this whenever. I would mainly wear this to like work because it's so perfect, as everyone has heard, for holding a laptop. So I always like tote my laptop in it. But it's funny because it's literally been in my closet. I haven't worn this very much since I moved to Florida, because I don't go anywhere. I'm like a freaking hermit here. But I haven't worn it much at all. And I noticed when I was about to take it out to wear it, it started peeling. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it started like doing this weird peeling. And I was like, when I actually used to wear it, it was not peeling like this. And then I was just like, I think the only peel that I had, like, this bag really held up while in New York City. It did its job. It lasted such a good time. But for some reason in my closet, it started peeling. And no, I had chipped it once, like right here. But if you look all along it, like all along the edges, I was like, how having this in the closet has this peeled this way? So I went ahead and I emailed their customer service just for like some advice. I wasn't gonna be like, hey, can you replace my bag? I wasn't gonna be like one of those crazy customers, one of those crazy like people, like, trust, we've all dealt with them that have worked in customer service. Like, I've literally had that bag for like more than 4 years. I'm not gonna be like, hey, my bag broke, can you like replace it? Which is insane to ask someone. But I emailed them and I was like, hey, my bag started peeling. Is there anything that I can do about it? Like, is there any like thing you recommend? Like, because I know with some, like, I know this isn't leather, but I know with leather you can buy like certain conditioners or like the same color, like, I don't know, paint or something. And they said, unfortunately, they don't do repairs, which is understandable. It's a leather bag. Like, everyone needs to realize these are not leather. Like, yes, they have like, I would say a moderate price point. I wouldn't call it very expensive. I believe this size is like $220 or something like that. But for a designer bag that's not that expensive, yeah, sorry, like peeling on the bottom, everything. Like, what the hell? But like, for a designer bag that's not that expensive, and I feel like it lived its lifespan, but I just did not understand why it just being in my closet, it would peel like this. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just like, maybe I can get some type of like leather paint that would work on the same material, vinyl paint, something. And they said, unfortunately, they don't do repairs, and that the best bet will be to take it to like a shoe cobbler type of like shoe repair person, because those type of people like specialize in leathers. So I was like, okay, but they did offer me a discount off of a new bag. At first they said it had to be the exact same bag, and I was just like, ooh, I don't need 2 of this bag, because like, what if I go to a cobbler and I'm like, oh, they'll totally fix it, then I have like 2 Simpsons colored yellow taxi bags? No, that's kind of a reach. So I was like, okay, well, I'll think about it. So I thought about it, and then all of a sudden they had their, which I didn't even know they had this bag, but I got an email, a marketing email saying that their Tevlar? Wow. No, it's, the fabric is not Tevlar. It is not PVC. But basically, it's their, like, paper bags. They call them their paper bags. And I was like, ooh, those are cute. Because I saw one that was silver. And if you know me, you know I love Andy Warhol. And the silver, metallic silver foil bag really reminded me of his exhibition with the silver metallic clouds, which were like balloons. And I was like, oh, that's cute. Because they also have another like silver metallic bag, but it's mirror. And that one is like really cute, but it's so shiny that I'm like, that's fingerprints galore, girl. So I was like, I kind of like that texture bag. They reduced the price, I think, to $202 for the medium. So I went ahead and I emailed them. I was like, hey, could I use the discount towards that bag? And they obliged. They were like, sure, you can use it towards the paper bag. And I think it's because like the paper bags aren't that popular. Like I've not seen any videos or even any Instagrams about this bag. And it's like probably the most interesting texture of the Telfar bag. So I was just like kind of surprised that like I hadn't seen pretty much any of them. So I got one. Yes, I got one in the mail. And I was like, let me go ahead and unbox this on camera because I had so many questions about this bag. But literally, I will go on YouTube before I buy something and just see, like, how is this bag? Like, how does this work? How does this phone work? You know, I love a review. I do reviews. Welcome to my channel. So I was like, let me go ahead and make this video so that other people who are interested in this style of bag can like get some insight because it's an interesting bag. And I read that this fabric, God, why did I forget the name of the fabric? But they use it in like construction and it's a really durable fabric. And they use it also in like mail, for like packaging. So let's just go ahead and open it up. So, yeah, this is a standard, like, size Telfar bag. Is it Tyvek? I don't know. No, it's not Tyvek. Go ahead. What's the name of that? So, yeah, it's just packed like the normal Telfar bags. This one feels lighter, which I don't mind. I mean, it is called the paper bag. Let me draw this down a little bit so you can see. So, it comes in the standard Telfar Ziploc and dust bag, as we all are familiar with from the many unboxing and what's in my bag videos. I feel like one of my first videos was a Telfar what's in my bag video. And now I'm kind of doing another one. So it comes in the standard dust bag. I'm excited to pull it out because I literally don't know what it looks like. I think the only photos I've seen of the foil one is on the website. And I feel like MoMA also carries the foil one and they say that it's MoMA exclusive, but of course you can buy it on the Telfar website. So I don't know why they say it's a MoMA exclusive, but it's not. So let's go ahead and pull her out. Your first look is my first look. Ooh. Wait, I love. It kind of looks like insulation, and I love that about it. Wait. I love it. And it's so funny because I said that silver is going to be my color for... I'm going to be wearing more like silver metals for fall and winter. I don't know why, but yeah, oh my God, this is so cute. And the fabric is not like, because one of the things I'm always afraid with metallic fabrics, and especially like metallic like vinyls and stuff, this isn't vinyl, but is that it's gonna shed or there's gonna be like some like glitter, because I fucking hate glitter. I love a shiny anything, but I absolutely hate glitter because it just gets in my pores. It is awful. I don't know how y'all deal with it, but yeah, let's go ahead. So this is, oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. And then it has the Telfar branded little Velcro to keep the straps. Wait, I really like it. I'm gonna save that. Oh, this is cute. Wait, I love it. I kind of like this one, I think, more than the mirror because it has this like texture to it that's just a little bit more interesting. Of course, it has like these in it, which I heard are good to keep inside a bag, so I'll keep one in there. But like, oh my god, I actually really, really love it. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so this is cute. It kind of reminds me of an insulated lunch bag. You know, like on the inside, like the inside of lunch, those lunch bags will have like the insulation or a cooler. I really love it. So it has the standard inside, the standard like Telfar little hidden pocket detail, the zippered pocket as well with the Telfar branding right there. It's so interesting. It almost feels smaller than my other bags, my other Telfar bag, because I have 3 Telfar bags. I have the yellow, the green, and I have the bronze. And I don't know, I really like it. I feel like it'll hold up well too, because the fabric, because at first when I saw this like crackly fabric, I thought that it was going to be like actually crackly, but it's actually like, it feels covered. It feels really smooth, which is one of the main questions I had about it. You can kind of see that it feels like almost coated. I don't know, it feels really good. It's like slick but coated. And I love these new magnetic snaps. There are magnetic snaps like hidden on each side of the handles, and you can hear it when it clicks. I love it. Let's do it again. I love that. I feel like it's more secure. But okay, so my thing about this is I have the bronze here, my bronze bag. And I want to see, this is another one I used to carry in New York City all the time. This is my second Telfar bag. And I liked that it was kind of like metallic, but this is obviously more metallic. And I fucking love it. It really reminds me of the Andy Warhol Mylar balloons. So I'm going to transfer stuff over into this bag. So what's in my bag? So, because I'm just like, is it the same size? I'm so curious. It looks like it should be the same size. I'm pretty sure it has the same measurements. This one looks shorter. I don't know. It could be just an optical illusion at this point. So let me go ahead. I'm going to transfer some stuff over. How many still wrap on? I have extra wrap. Girl, I don't like sweating. And I don't like getting wet. So I got my actual umbrella. Another extra little shopping bag. You know, you go into some of those places and they're like, bags or blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, girl, I got my bags. So I always keep those on hand. Face masks. I always keep one, even to this day. Just in case I get locked up someplace in an elevator or something with somebody that's yakking and coughing. I'm like, let me, just in case, child, just in case. I got my little fragrance, and then I love fragrance. I don't like smelling bad. So I was like, this little sandwich zippered pocket of like fragrances, mirror, little toiletry type of stuff. Don't let me breath stink. I need to some little icebreakers and little lotion. Make sure you lotioned up. Don't be ash. Okay. This is cute. Yeah, it's the same size. Totally the same size. I mean, I love it. Love it. So yeah, I'm really into it. I think it's super cute. Does it still snap? Look at it. Wait, I love this bag. Okay, this is like my new favorite bag actually, and I'm so excited to take it on trips. It's such a like perfect size. I was thinking about getting the large. Since I got a little bit of a discount, I was thinking about getting the large, but I was like, no, I'm gonna stick to the medium. I feel like the medium is a good size. The medium is such an actual, like they call it the everyday bag. It is such a good size because you literally can take it and go. One thing about the Telfar bags is I do wish these straps came off, but you can also just tuck it inside, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I fucking love this bag. But if you tuck it inside, does it still close? Let's see. Ah, it still closes with the straps inside. Okay, I love that. This is my new Telfar. So yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too long. I'm gonna cut it here, but yeah, totally cute. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like, if you like this video, like down there. Do a little thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more videos. Comment if you enjoyed this video and if you have this bag but you've just never done a video on it, because I was looking all over for a review of this bag and I'm so glad I decided to just go ahead and get it. It is so fun. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.